Hey, what's going on? Garrett here. If you've been wanting to discover a method to consistently generate Clickbank commissions, this video is for you. Inside this video, I'm gonna walk you through a complete A to Z step-by-step method that anyone can use. Doesn't matter if you're brand new to affiliate marketing, doesn't matter if you've never made a single dollar online. If you follow what I'm gonna share with you from the beginning of this video all the way through to the end, you're definitely gonna be able to go out there and start to create results. But before I dive into that video, I wanna share that this method is one of many that I'm sharing on my channel. And if you're brand new and you never want to miss out on my latest videos, be sure to go down below and click the subscribe button so you're always notified. Also, last but not least, before I dive into this powerful method, if you want to discover my #1 way to generate money online from home, go to the first link below in the description and check that out while it's still available. Anyway, my friend, without further ado, let's dive in to the method. All right, my friend, now I'm on clickbank.com. Now, this is the website where you can actually find endless affiliate products to start promoting and earning commissions and money from home. Now, we're going to be able to create an account, and if you haven't already created a free account on Clickbank, you simply want to go to clickbank.com. Now, once you're on this website, you just want to go to the very top and click create an account. That's going to take you to a sign up form where you can actually fill out your information and create an account. Now, once you create an account, you're going to be able to actually access this page here, okay? And once you're inside of your account, by going to the very top and clicking marketplace, it's going to take you to this screen. Now, this is going to have all different categories of promoting products on Clickbank. Now, I want to share with you that this method in this video is going to be using paid advertising. Okay, so you're only going to need about $5 to $10 a day to invest into yourself and into your business to really make this method work. Now, if you're watching this video and you maybe don't have the money, maybe you can't, just not go out to a movie and use that money towards this, then you can also apply this method to Facebook, okay? Facebook is a free site, and I've actually been making a lot of money on Facebook for many years now, and you can just use a similar method to get people interested and then promote products, okay? But we're going to use paid advertising, and we're gonna be using YouTube ads. Okay, so I'm going to share with you the exact strategy that you can start using with YouTube ads to dramatically start to increase your success very, very quickly. So once we're inside the Clickbank marketplace, you want to realize there's all these different categories to pick products in. But some of the main categories you want to actually go for is health, wealth, and relationships. These are the big 3 niches that are never going to go away. People always want to lose weight, people always want to make money, and people always want to improve their relationships. So if you choose one of those niches in the category section, you're going to have a great chance of success. Okay, so you can go here, e-business, health and fitness, and once you find that category, you can just click that, and that's going to take you to a list of the different products, okay? Now, some of the key things you want to look for to choose a good product to promote with YouTube ads is products that have a high gravity score. This is basically a score on on average, how many affiliates this week have actually been making sales. And as you can see, over 570 people on average have been making sales with this specific product. So this would be a great product to promote. Now, another thing you want to keep in mind is that certain products are going to have affiliate pages, okay? Now, if I go to this one right here, you're gonna be able to see that this has an affiliate page. Now, you have to actually sign up and then you can get your resources, okay? Now, they have different banners and advertisements. A lot of products on here, especially the successful ones, are gonna give you tools such as Facebook ads and things like that. But many of them are actually gonna give you YouTube ads, videos that you can actually start running with YouTube advertising to start making commissions on Clickbank. So in order to do that, okay, again, you want to look at the affiliate pages. But before this video, I found one that has some videos, okay? So if you click this magnifying glass, this is going to share with you all the different categories in one drop down of the products that are actually doing the best, okay? So if I go down here and I open up this one right here, and I go to the affiliate page, this is going to have videos. Okay, so if I go to the videos section in their affiliate resources, you're going to be able to see a list of videos. Now you can just download one of these videos and use in your YouTube ads, okay? So you don't have to actually create the videos yourself, and many of these top products will have videos that you can actually start using. Now, if you find a good product that maybe you really resonate with and you really like, but it does not have products or videos rather to use in your YouTube ads, you can just simply go to Fiverr.com, okay, Fiverr.com. It's a site where you can actually pay $5 to up to $100, but most of them are going to be around $5 to get people to create things for you, logos. But we want to type in spokesman at the top search bar and hit search, and you're going to see all these people that create spokesman videos. And you can just create a 2 to 5 minute video and use that as your YouTube ad, and some of them are $5, $10, okay? This is just a small price to pay when you can use this ad to make hundreds of dollars a day on Clickbank, okay? So now once you have your video ad ready and you've chosen a product, what you want to do is go to Google, okay, and type in Google Ads. Google Ads and YouTube ads are gonna be in the same platform, okay? So once you type in Google Ads into Google, you're gonna wanna type this or click on this first link right here, Google Ads, okay? Now, once you click that, you're gonna get taken to this page. Now, you're gonna be able to actually hit start now and create an account within Google Advertising, okay? So it's gonna link up to one of your Gmail accounts. So if you have a Gmail email address, it's gonna hook up to that. Now, once you do that and you create a free account inside of Google Advertising, you're gonna get taken to this page, okay? Now, this is your overview of your YouTube advertisements. Now, what you want to do is realize that the first step is to create a new campaign. When we're promoting a product, we want to create a new campaign. So I can go to new campaign here. Now, the next step you want to do is there's a lot of different options, okay? You can go for sales. You can make the campaign objective leads, website traffic. I tend to use website traffic the most with YouTube ads, okay? So you can click website traffic and then video, because this is going to be a video ad. Now, once we do that, we want to hit continue, okay? Now, once you're on this page, the next thing you want to really do to create a profitable YouTube ad campaign with Clickbank is you want to edit the campaign name, okay? So usually I will type in the product name, okay, and then website traffic or whatever objective I'm doing, okay? So that's a good way to keep it simple and for you to be able to remember what you're actually doing. Now, for bidding strategy, you can do maximize conversions, where YouTube will try to get the most conversions for the least price. But you can also start off with target CPA, target cost per action, okay? So you can say, like, what is the average that you're willing to pay for an action? Now, you can do anywhere from like $5 to $8, okay, to start off with. Now, I know this may seem really high, but what we want is as much traffic as possible when we're first starting, because we want to get data that we can actually start to adjust and start to scale up what's working and kill what's not, okay? There's a saying in paid advertising called starve the ponies, feed the stallions, okay? So we want to feed what's working. Now, once this starts, you start getting traffic and conversions and things like that, then we can go back and set it to anywhere from 20 to even like 40 cents, okay? So we're just doing the higher cost per action in the beginning. Now, budget and dates, okay? The daily budget you want to use is really up to you, okay? So again, it kind of depends. I recommend doing as high as you feel comfortable, because you want to get as much data as possible. So, I mean, if you could do $50 a day, that would be great. But again, you could just do $10 a day, okay? It's going to take a little bit longer, but you're going to be able to figure out what's working, and that's pretty good. Now, standard, that's recommended. I tend to use just standard, okay? Now, networks, okay? Again, this is going to be selected by default. It's going to show up before a YouTube video, okay? So if you ever clicked on a YouTube video and you have an ad show, that's what this is. Now, all languages, I usually just do English, okay? Because usually the product's going to be in English, and we want to make sure that people can we're showing the ad to the right people. Locations, by default, it will typically show your location. You want to think about promoting to countries that A, the product is going to speak to, and B, the people have money, okay? So typically the top tier countries are gonna be best: United States, Canada, Australia in some cases, but you can just start with the United States, okay? That's gonna work well. You can go down and you can also, this is pretty good, ad group name. I tend to change this, okay? So depending on, you can do the product name, or you can, if the certain ad you want to test, you can do the name there, but we'll just put like test ad group for now. Okay, demographics, this is really important. Now, sometimes if you go to, okay, like for example, if you go to the affiliate tools page, they will actually share with you some of the demographics often, okay? Now this page doesn't seem to, but many will. And they'll tell you like, okay, it's mostly female, it's mostly, this age group. So you want to keep that in mind. Usually if it's like a weight loss thing, it's mostly going to be women, okay? And then ages, this is very important too. I always usually uncheck 18 to 24 because most people 18 to 24 are not going to have a lot of disposable income that they can invest into a training or a product. So you want to just avoid that. Again, we're going after people that have money. Household income, you can actually uncheck the lower 50% if, again, you're going for a higher priced product and things like that. Now, audiences, okay, you can choose different audiences. I don't use this as often, to be honest. Okay, keywords. Now, this is a good type of targeting to use. Basically, what will happen is whatever keywords you put in there, YouTube will start showing your YouTube ad on videos that keyword is about, okay? So you can think about what the product you're promoting is, and then you can actually, create keywords based on that. Now, some of these affiliate tools will actually even have the keywords, okay? So that's something to look out for as well. But you can just kind of think, okay, so this is like a keto thing. So it's like how to become more healthy, how to lose weight fast, how to do a keto diet, okay? So you can kind of think about the different keywords someone would search in, and that's gonna be good, okay? You can also get keyword ideas by entering a related website, okay? And entering the product or service name. Sometimes that will work as well. Now, topics, you could choose different topics, okay? You could do health if you wanna do that. You can do, pets and animals. You can go to placements, okay? And you can go to things like YouTube channels. So if you want your videos to run on a targeted YouTube channel on their videos, then you can actually go to YouTube, okay? And I actually did this ahead of time. I typed in health and fitness. You can scroll down and find a big channel, okay? And you can go to their channel, copy at the top their channel link, okay, the URL of their channel, and then you can go back and paste this in, and YouTube will often find the channel, and then you can select and run on their channel, okay? So that's another option to target. Now, creating your video ad, this is a very crucial step and one of the last steps to start running, okay? Now, creating your video ad, this is gonna depend on either you use a swipe video ad that they give you in the affiliate tools, or if you pay someone on Fiverr, okay? Or you can even create the video yourself. But once you have that video, you wanna upload it to a YouTube channel, okay? So maybe you have a YouTube channel or you can create a new one, and you wanna make the video unlisted. So when you upload that video, it's gonna be an option to actually not show it publicly, but just leave it unlisted, and then you wanna put it in there. So I have a video here that I can get just as an example, okay? So if I copy this link, okay? If I copy this video link and I go here, okay, that could be the ad, okay? Now again, I wouldn't use their video, I would use one that we've created, right? But there we go. Now the final URL, now what do you wanna send people? Well, oftentimes you can't just send people directly to a Clickbank affiliate link, so you wanna send them to a landing page. Now, you don't have to have something like ClickFunnels, which is a $97 a month landing page software. Now I do have links, I believe in the description that you can use that, because if you want to take this to the next level, ClickFunnels is definitely a great resource, and I use it personally. But you can just simply use a free website builder, okay, called Weebly.com. Go to Weebly.com and you can just create a free website, and you can create something that looks like this, okay? So you don't have to be collecting people's emails. You can just create a pre-sale page that kind of, says something about the product, piques their interest, and then when they hit click here to watch the video, okay, it will go to the affiliate link, okay? So you can just do that, and then you would basically go back to here and then put that in, okay? So if I use Google, for example, okay, so let's say that's the landing page link, then it will display there. And then all you want to do is put in a call to action. Okay, this is going to be the button text. You can say learn more. And then for the headline, okay, which is going to show up right here, you could type in something like, lose weight today. Or, sometimes, YouTube and Google, they don't like claims like that. So you're going to say something like, revolutionary new method. Okay, you only get like 15 characters, so you have to be powerful method. Okay, so that can work there. And then you can name the ad name if you have a few ads you're testing, which is a good idea to use a couple different videos. You can do ad 1, ad 2, and then just hit create campaign. Okay, now once you hit create campaign, you will basically submit it to YouTube, and YouTube will approve it within usually 24 to 48 hours, and you will start getting traffic and some sales if you follow what I shared. Well, there we have it. I really hope you enjoyed learning exactly how to start generating ClickBank commissions with this method. Be sure to like the video if you got value in this and you want me to make more step-by-step videos. Also be sure to subscribe, again, because I'm going to be posting weekly videos like this and you never want to miss out. And last but not least, if you're looking for a way to generate income in the easiest and fastest method, be sure to also get my free training at the link below while it's still available. Anyway, my friend, thanks so much for watching, and I will see you on my next video.